Once you log in, we will see this is the WordPress dashboard. This is the WordPress dashboard. You can write on the chat if we are together. Just write over there so that I can see that we are together. Okay. So this one is the dashboard for the WordPress where we can start building the website. So at the left top of this website, you can see there's the logo of the WordPress, where you can see about, get involved, and other things. Just leave it as it is. Then the right side, you can see there is icon of a home where you can see the name of the website. So when I was creating this website, I just wrote your person website. So you can see the name, and you can just preview this website to see what is your website. So you can right click, maybe you can view in new window. So this one is the website that we are going. It is live. This website, our website is live right now. So let me close. So here is where you will be using to preview and see your website. And the next one is comment. If there is any comment, people are leaving comment, you can see here. And the next one is new. You can see new post. Post in website is blogs. So once you want to write blogs, you can just come here as a shortcut and click post. Then you can start writing a posting. The next one is media, where you can just start. Here is where you see all your files that you input or install to the website. Images, logo, and other icon and other stuff that you can import from your computer to the website. The next one is pages. So pages is the pages that we navigate when we go to the website. Example, when you come here, this is my website. Of course we are, yes, we are together, good. So this is my website. So when you click here, you will see Joel Media Home. So once you click here, the home page will be open. So this is the home page, the page, home page. So once you scroll down, you will see various things. The next one is causes. So once you click, so this is what we call pages, called shop, testimonies, blogs, dashboard, and others. So when we say new pages, so you create pages where the information and the content of the website will be seen. The next one is user. Once you want to create or to add users to the website, you can just add here so that people can log into your website and access information, whatever the use of the website. So here you can see the dashboard where you can navigate and see what can be seen here. So what I can do here, I will come to the, yes, let's proceed. So home, you will see anything that is shown over here. The next one is update. When you click update, you will see that these softwares tend to be developed and updated every time. So when there is any update, you can see here where the words update is written or located. So you can see WordPress updates. Current version is 6.81. So that is the current version. So you don't need it to install or to update again since it is updated. So the next one is post. As I told you that you can write blog post on your website. So here is where you can have a full control of the website blogs. You can see all posts, add post, categories, you can add tags and all stuff. The next one is media. In the media is where I told you that you can see all files that have been added to the website. So let's just try to the post. So when I click post, you can see right now there is only one post. When we view this post to the new window, this one is the only blog that is by default or dummy post created by the theme that I have been installed or the WordPress itself. So it is the one. So once you want to create another post, you can just click add post. You will be directed to another like page or area where you can just lighting your blog or your information to share with the people who are listening or looking to your website. Are we together, guys? Are we together? The network is not our friend today.
Bro, we are hearing you very well. Please just go on. Thank you.
Okay. The internet is not good. Let's go back to the dashboard so we can proceed navigating to the while we wait for the internet to be okay. So this is the post you can see here. Let me close some pages here. Yes, so you can add post here is what we have done in the previous action. Here you can see when you click in bulk action, you can edit post, you can delete or move to trash. So once you can click this, when you come to back, if there are so many, you can just come and move to trash. Then when you apply, all posts will be deleted. If you want to delete or edit one post, when you just hover here, you can see edit, quick edit, trash, or view. So you can edit, quick edit, view. And other things here is category, means you can see who wrote this post, categories which you can add, tags, date where the post is published. And here also you can search if there is a post you want to read, you can search here so that you can find the post. Here you can add posts, you can add categories that if you are dealing maybe with the digital marketing, we can say maybe this is post is about the digital skills, maybe this is about social media, this is about WordPress. So you can add categories. Another is tags. So here you just add tags where the keyword that can be easily found when people search it to your information or other information on the Google or other search engine. The next one is media. As I told you that once you start creating or building website, you will need to use images, sometimes video, sometimes you can use icon, logo. Those stuffs can be imported to the WordPress using this menu, which is media. Yes, you can see that now the blog post is open. So when you can say how to build WordPress website. Step like this. So here you can just start writing what you have been prepared. Example, we can say maybe let's try ChatGPT to put some information here. Yes, we can act. Maybe let me pull some information. Act as digital or 8 years web developer using WordPress. I want create a blog post teaching the simple way to rank high on Google and other search engine using WordPress website. So maybe we can say give 5 insight tips. So you can see ChatGPT will be writing the tips that can help you when you build a website which will rank high. You will notice that every point there is a line like this one. So if you don't want that line, you can say remove the line that separates the point. Are we going together, guys? Let me note the comment section. So you can see here, conclusion. So I will just copy this, right click, copy, then I come here to the post. Then I will just, maybe I can say here I need to add an image. So you will just upload image later, then downward here, I will just right click and paste. So you can see this is the blog post. So you'll just come to the right side here. You can say to the post, choose this post. Then you can set image, or you can come here to the, you can publish. In the publication, you can schedule, or you can publish immediately, and other things which is very important here. Yes, for now, let's just publish. So just click, then publish. Like this. Then you can view post. So you can see the post is now live and anyone can see, read. We didn't just add an image, but we can do it later. So here you can add comment section. People can comment and post where people can see and comment. So that's how this post section works. So in this is where I told you that there is media. Here you can add images and other stuff. So right now, there is no any kind of image. Once you want to upload image, you just come here, add media file. Then you can just go to your computer, just drop here, or you can just click select files. Then you go to the computer, then you choose any file you want to upload. Maybe I can choose any kind of image. Maybe this one. Maybe you can choose this one, then you can upload. So all images will be stored here. So once you want to use that image anytime, you can just come to the media library and use that image. Maybe what you need to consider, just make sure you don't upload the huge pictures, a very large format picture, which may lead to the slower your website. So make sure you add the image that is a little smaller in size so that it can be simple for the website to load easily once someone is opening. So the next one is pages. So here is where I told you that when you open any website, you will see homepage, about us, maybe portfolio, testimonials, and other stuff. That's what we call pages. So for the sake of time, I will just disturb this. So when you come to all pages, you will see all pages that have been created in this website. Yeah? You can edit, you can trash, you can view, and all stuffs. If you want to add pages, you can just come here, add pages. Maybe you can say here, if you are building maybe an e-commerce website, you will probably need a refund policy page. So you can just come here, maybe add refund policy. So once you create page, you just click publish. So the page will be published. And once we come back to the pages list, we will see the page that have been created. Yes, so once you go back to the dashboard, you will see, yes, refund, yes, this one. So this is the page that we have been created. But once you start creating website, you won't see any pages here. So we can just click on the title, then back action, we can say move to trash, apply. So we can delete all pages that have been created in this website so that we can start afresh. So you can come to trash. It cannot be deleted permanent. So when you come to trash, you can decide to trash them. Once you delete permanent, you won't see the pages anymore. The next one is comment. So once you allow, someone is not muted the mic.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, just mute. So you can see here in the comment section, if people comment on the, maybe on the, or your posty or blogs, maybe it is, maybe if it is an e-commerce, people can comment the area where they buy things, or it is, maybe it is an e-learning. Example, for myself, I have a plugin that I installed so that I can use to monitor comment for the students. So this one is only one comment we can see here. The process is the same. You can delete, you can approve. Sometimes some comment need to be approved so that you can see all comment, mine, pending, approved. It's only one. Spam, sometimes bots tend to comment on your blog. So you can see that this is spams, you can delete, you can approve, and so on and so forth. The next one is, this one is what we call theme. Here I'll tell you, in order for the website to work, especially WordPress website, you will need two things, commonly two things for a website to work. You will need something called the theme. The next one is called plugin. Theme is what gives the appearance, the good looking of a website, how the website look, how the page looks, it's looking good. But plugin, it's what gives the functionality to the website. So once you want to buy something to the website, you click a button, add to cart, checkout. Those are the functionality that is assisted by the plugin. So there are so many plugins. So starting with the theme, this website is using Astra theme, the theme that I've been installed. So you come here to appearance, then you will see, when you come to appearance, with the theme, design, customize, widget, menus, and other stuff. So when you select themes, you will see these all are the themes. Maybe this one is called the Astra. The one is active, the theme that the website is using right now. The next one is Bloxy. The next one is extendable, 2025, 2024, 2023, and the other stuff. And you can add a theme by uploading, since you can buy or download theme to other websites. So then you just come to install here. So when you create a website for a first time, you can just see maybe this one could be the only theme that has been used for the website. So let me activate this. Activate this. Yes. So right now you can see active 2025 is the theme that is activated. So when we come here to the top of the title of the website, right click, maybe you can say open in new link. When we preview the website, you see the website is changing. The way the website is now looking is different from the first one. So what gives this appearance is what we call theme. Maybe let me activate this blocksy so that you can see the difference. Yes, this box now is activated. So when I come to the website, right click, then new view in new window, you see the website is totally different from the one that we have been seeing previously. So that's how this theme looks. So you can be warning that the website is not looking good. It's okay, but you can customize as you want to get all stuffs. Like this one, top here is called the header. You can just add logo here, add pages, maybe homepage, about, and all stuff along the area. So that's how this works. So you can even customize this theme. Maybe example, you can come here and just click live preview. Before you install the theme, you can just come and preview maybe which.
Excuse me, Joel.
Good. Yes.
I can't see the new window you are trying to show us.
Okay. You don't see the window?
Please. The new window that have been changed.
Okay. Is anyone experiencing the same problem?
Yes, but since you're showing the live preview, we can see this. So let's wait to see this live preview.
It's still opening. I think the internet is not good right now. Yes. Do you see now all the themes?
We can see this screen, but when you activated it, like she said, we didn't see it on the blog. Yeah.
Okay. So right now you can see that appearance and all this theme. Do you see now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So
it's okay now.
Okay. It is because of network. When I just try to open, it is not working properly. So here you can notice that there are so many themes here, and you can come here, say add a theme. When you click add a theme, you will see other themes that is used or are available for WordPress. But when you are taking notes, most of the popular theme that is very good, Astra is the first one. You can use Astra to build any kind of website, e-commerce, blogs, portfolio website, and other kind of website. Also, there is the Blocksy, the one that I've been activated last time. Also, is the good one. It is loading. I think it's because of network. Oh, okay, yes, you can see. Here the numbers of themes that have been installed. You can see the first one is installed. So other themes here, you can see here the option of install. You can install here. This one is called Neve. It's good theme. You can install here. This one is Loyal Elementor. There are so many themes that you can use. So what you need to do, because you are just starting, if it's the basic, you can go to the Google and ask what is the best 10, maybe. What is the best 10 WordPress theme for maybe portfolio website? So you can just search and see various blogs where they just list the best theme. So you can just read the article here. You can see people are recommending Bridge, Divi, Hestia, Pylis, Astra, and other themes that you can see here. So everyone can write according to what they can see, so that you cannot use most of time asking yourself which one could be the best. But as you can see here, the almost 6 theme which is installed, but you can activate only one theme. You cannot use more than one theme in a website. So you have to decide to use one theme, and by other time, so as to make your website more easy to load, just delete and leave almost 2 or 3 theme on your, which is installed to your website. So once you come back to the themes here, which is already installed, you can say that right now I have installed maybe blocks, so I don't need to use Astra right now, but I will leave it as it is. So maybe you can say I don't need this. You can open or delete. Once you come here to theme detail, here to the demo, you will see activate and delete. So you can just delete this one if you don't need to use. You can come here or maybe to this. You just theme detail, you come to the downward, just click delete, and it will be deleted. Once you need it, you come to add, then you search the name, you can install, then they come here to be seen like this. Are we together, guys? Are we together? Let me know if we are together. Yes, okay. Okay. So the next one is called the plugin. As I told you that you need theme so that your website can be seen to create a layout and the appearance of the website. Then you need a plugin to add functionality to the website. So when you come to the plugins, you can see install the add plugin file editor. Just click plugin. So you can see right now, you can have this button to add a new plugin. Also, you can see here, there is almost 3 plugins. The first one is called the Contact Form 7. The next one is called the Elementor. Then the next one is Lightspeed. So you can also add the plugin if you want to. Then you can see here, there are so many plugin that you can install. So you can just come here and search a plugin. Example, when you build an e-commerce website, you will probably need a plugin called WooCommerce, which is very popular once you want to create an e-commerce website. WooCommerce is the plugin that handles all activities which are related to buying any activities online when it comes to WordPress website. So write WooCommerce, it's double O, then WooCommerce. Am I right? Woo. Yes, this one. WooCommerce. Yes, this one. Can you see? So if you want to install this plugin, you just click install. Then it will load like this. It will be loading like this. Then it will be installed. So in order for a certain or any plugin to work, you need to activate it. It is not necessary to activate right now. You can still go and find another plugin you want to use. Then you can come and activate all at once. So maybe another one. Maybe you can say you want something called the recapture. Maybe this is the one of the plugin that is used to prevent robots to log into your website. So you can just come and click install. There is one called the Elementor. Elementor is one of the very, very useful plugin which is used for page building. Once you build the page, there are so many plugin that is used. This is called Elementor. This one is very, very important. When building pages, we use Elementor, there is div and other page builder. But this is very, very important to understand when you are building WordPress website. So you can see this all plugin here, 1, 2, 3, 4, is not activated. Is installed, but is not activated. So you can come here, maybe you can activate one by one. It's okay, just click at activate. The plugin will be activated like this, but sometimes you can just select this one, select this one, select this one. Then you just come to bulk action, then you say activate, then you just apply. So all plugin will be activated at once. It could be loading. You can see it is loading. What is the use of plugin again? Okay, the use of plugin give a functionality to the website. So you want to create page, you use plugin. You want to comment to a certain, maybe you want to buy a certain product, you use WooCommerce plugin that will enable for the product to be shown to the cart page or to the shop so that people can access, and the other activities. So it provides functionality to the website. So once you come here, you will see that here is the all installed plugin. There are a total of 5 plugins. Example, you can say right now I don't need plugin. Right now, maybe you can see auto updated enabled, auto updated disabled. So as I told you that this software, the developers still develop every day. So every time they give new updates. So what you need to do, you need to make sure that it is auto enabled to update themselves. What you can do, you can just click here to activate, to select all plugin. Then when you come to the bulk action, you can say enable auto updates. Means every time they update, the plugin will be updated automatically. So once you select this enable auto update, you just click apply. So it could be loading like this. You will see here enable update, enable, disable, enable. So few of them have been updated. So once it loads, here you will see disable update to all plugin. Yes, so it really takes time. It depends on the number of plugin that you are trying to update. So here is what you can see. Maybe if you have so many plugins, you can come here and search the name of the plugin so that you can see. Let me know if you are together. I proceed to the next section, which is users. When you click here, user, you can see, when you just hover here, you will see all users, add users, and the profile. Once you start with all users, when you click here, you see all people who have been registered to the website. So if you have maybe an e-commerce website, you have your own company website, you can distribute responsibility and load to other people. So you can say that you will be someone to answer or to publish blogs. So you will just need to add users. So you can just click here, add user. Then you just give a username. Someone can write email, first name, and other one. You can generate him or her a password. Then you add user. So maybe you can say Alois. Alois. Oh, username, yes, Alois, it's okay. I will just use this to save time. Maybe last Mwajombe, Alois, email, alois@gmail.com. Then you just come here to the first name, you say Alois Mwajombe. Then here, if she has a website, you can just do so. You can generate him or a password. Then you just create. Then here is very, very, very important. The role, make sure you give him or her a role. Once you click here, you will see that who is this guy? Shop manager, customer, subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or administrator. So you can give another people to administrate and work on your website. Maybe he or she can be an editor, author, contributor, subscriber. So once you want to give someone a role to publish blogs, you can give him or her a role to publish a blog. So once he is or she is an author, you just add user. So as you can see, so right now, when you come to the list of the people who are managing or having access to this website, Alois, name, here is the email, then the role is author, then she or he has 0 post. Then someone like this username, which have been created by cPanel, then you can add name anytime, you can edit. Then here is the email, the role is admin, and have 2 posts. So you can add more users as you can according to the need. And maybe your website is an e-commerce. The customers also will be registered and shown to the this listing here. Also, if it is an e-learning platform, also people will need to be registered. So all people will be registering and shown here to the user panel. I hope I'm clear, guys. If everything is okay, just type number 2. Just type number 2 so that I can see that we are together. So the next one is the profile. Let's see. Number 2, yes, number 2. Profile. Okay, nice. I see we are together. The network is not good right now. It is loading. Okay, I have seen all comments here. Yes, so here is the profile. So you can see that here is the person option. Here is not important. Maybe here there is language, so you can just come here and see what kind of language you want your website to be using. However, it is not really necessary. They just put English by default, but when you want to use any language, there is other plugin which you can install to the website so that anyone in any country can access the website from his or her own language. You can enable Elementor AI functionality. It is not, if it is necessary, you can do so. Then here is the username. Username is the name that cannot be changed to any website. This one is the one that is connected to the database. So once you create a username, you won't able to be changing. So that's what you can see here. Maybe you can change the name, see, you can add email, nickname, and other stuff, see. You can choose which name to display to the website or to the comment. You can change email. Here you write the website you are using. Then here is just a profile of a user. So you can change and do whatever you want. You can change password and other information like billing information if you need to do so. So after that, you will see here the tool, not really necessary to talk about, but let's go to the last section here, which is setting. This is very important. When you click here to the setting, you will see the following. The first one is site name. The one that you see here is where you can change here. So you can come here, sometime change, maybe Joel. You can say Joel online, like this. Here is the tagline. The names that once someone click or choose or see your website will be seen. So you can choose the tagline you want to put. So mostly put the tagline that is related for what you are doing or for who you are in the website. Then here you can create site icon. you can see the Namecheap, they have icon here. You see the S here. You see the Google Doc, they have their own icon here. Hostinger, they put H. ChatGPT, you see here, Google, they put G-Core. So what you do here, you just choose, you go to you just click here, choose a site icon, then you go to the media, you choose, or you go to the computer, you upload, then when you save, automatically you will start seeing your logo or your images instead of this icon of the web here. The next one is website URL. Most of the time, by default, it could be the one that you have been using to the website, means to the hosting or the domain that you have been reserved. Likewise here, you don't need to change anything. Maybe here to administration email address, you can change here. But in most cases, you have been written to the cPanel. So maybe you don't need to. Sometimes you can change. The next one is LOL. So you can say that once someone registers to your website, you can decide he or she could be a customer or administrator or any other stuff. So here, if it is the membership, you can say anyone can register. But right now, you can see there is no option for people to register for this website. Once you put this mark here, anyone can have access to register to your website. And you have to be very careful here. Once you choose administrator, once you save, so anyone registering to your website, he or she will be given a role as admin. So it is risky for your website to be broken, or someone can delete files and so forth and so forth. So make sure you just leave here. If you need people to register, just leave people. When people register, just get a role of a subscriber. Site language, you can choose any language you want here. Time zone, it depends where you are. You can choose date format, how the format of the time and date they will be seen to your website. You can say when the week starts. By default, it's Monday. So once you make those changes, you can just come here and click Save Changes. So once you save changes, everything will be okay. So the next one is writing, this one. Are we together, guys? You can write number 3 if we are okay. Before I proceed, write number 3 so that I can say I can note that we are together. Write number 3. Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay. So another one is writing. So once you click writing, you will see writing setting. Here is called default post category. Here you can see and categorize. Why? We are not yet created any pages. So once we create pages, by default, this one, you should choose home page. The page that be shown once someone open the website. So when you see that you click the website, then you will be directed to the shop page or to the testimonial. The setting which could be called that to be seen is this one. So make sure you choose home page here once you have created the page. And the default post format here is for blog post. So once you create a blog post, you will choose this one to be a blog anytime. So post via mail, then here you can leave as it is. Most of the time, you don't need to change anything. Just leave as it is looking. The next one is reading. You can see here. Okay. Yes. I think this one could be left as it is. Don't just click anywhere here. What I've been telling you to the reading is where you just set those pages that I've been telling you. So here, homepage display. Here is what you choose once you have installed you created a page, which is homepage. You just come here to the static page, then you choose the homepage could be selected here, the home. The post page here could be the blog page. So sorry for the inconvenience to the writing and reading. So just choose this reading. So then choose homepage to the home. then post page to the blog. I hope this is clear. Then you can leave other stuffs. It is. You don't need to change anything. The next one is discussion. Maybe you can see here discussion. Yes, this is mostly related to the posting. Maybe you can say default post testing, attempt to notify any blog link to the post, allow link notification. This is all related to the post and the blogs you are posting. So you can say comment moderation and all stuff, which is not really confusing. Once you start creating post, you can decide which one you'll be using. The next one is media. Let's see. Yes, here is talking about the size of images and all stuff. So you can decide the thumbnail maybe to be which size, height and weight. So just leave it by default so that you cannot disturb anything. The next one is permanent link. Yes, permanent link. So sometimes you can find that your website is bringing you, or when you search for a certain website or your own website, you see the website generating error, maybe error 111, error, whatever error you can see. Sometimes it can be this pages or the setting is twisted. So you can just come here, change maybe to plain, then you save. If it doesn't work, you can go to the website and search. Then other time you just come back to the day and name. You just save changes. Then you go to the website and search again. The website can be online again. However, on the issue like this, we say when something is working, don't touch it. So if it is working, don't just disturb it. Sometimes you can start suffering configuring an issue which is caused by just trying to do things which is not necessary. So here there is no anything else I can say. Maybe to the privacy here. Yes, so here you can see create privacy policy page. Yes, if once you create pages, here is where you link the privacy policy to your website. Means how do you use your data, the customer's data, what people should not do to the website and all stuff you just create. Here you select it. Once you created the page, then you use or you save and all stuff. I think up to here, there is no other issue which is very important. Let me know if we are together up to that point by writing number 4.